Today, I'll show you how to turn the screensaver on or off while in hub mode on your Google Pixel tablet. As you can see, currently the screensaver is on and my device is locked and it's displaying. So that means that the screensaver is on. So if I want to turn it off, I'll simply unlock my device, my Google Pixel tablet, and go into settings. In settings, I'll go into hub mode and I'll find the screensaver option up here. So tap on screensaver, and under this option to use screensaver, as you can see it's currently on. To turn it off or disable it, I'll tap on that and it's going to turn off. As you can see now, when I lock my device, the screensaver no longer displays. So to turn this option on or enable it, I'll follow the same steps. Come into hub mode under the screensaver, and if it's disabled or turned off, I'll tap on that to turn it back on. Now while I'm at it, I can also choose when the screensaver is going to start. As you can see, under when to start, the option is currently set to while docked and charging. So as you can see, my Pixel tablet is docked and is charging. I can change this option by tapping on this, and the other option I can select is while charging. So only while charging is when this option is going to, for the screensaver, is going to turn on. So I'll just leave it at while docked and charging, but that's basically how to enable or disable the screensaver while in hub mode on your Google Pixel tablet. Basically how to turn the screensaver on or off while in hub mode on your Google Pixel tablet. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down in the comment section below the video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.